I want to introduce you to the bar chain, crafted from decorative wire. This beautiful design brings both elegance and practicality to any jewelry collection. It's quite easy to make using a decorative wire that you can make yourself or buy in my store. It can be made in about half an hour and worn with any copper pendant or as a piece of individual jewelry. Here is another version of such a chain. Whether you're looking to make a statement or keep things simple, this bar chain seamlessly fits into any look. For work, I will use this twisted and rolled wire. To make it, twist two 18-gauge wires, then add one 16-gauge wire and twist again. To flatten the wire, hammer it. Or go to my store and buy it. I use 6 1 1/4 inches long bars. My chain turned out to be 17 inches long. Depending on the length you need, cut 6, 10 pieces of wire. Use an even number of bars if you want your pendant to hang between the links. Cut 12 pieces of 18-gauge wire. For each bar, we need 2 clamps. Try to secure the wire with pliers after each turn. There should be at least 3 turns on each side, and it is better to do the last turn on the front side. This step is optional, but after hammering, the metal becomes harder and the parts stick together more firmly. You can make a bracelet from the same parts, but in this case, you need to make parts smaller and bend them in a different direction. Well, great, we've done the main details. Now we need to connect them. For this purpose, we will use rings. Add a hook and a few rings as an extension, and our chain is ready. I made this chain especially for the pendant, which I will show you in the next video. The bezel of this pendant is made of the same wire as the chain, and therefore they form one unique set.